Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to make rich guard sabji recipe with easy method. I have taken here 2 rich guard, garlic, coriander, cumin seed. I have chopped here rich guard equal shape. Take 1 tablespoon oil and put on cumin seed. It takes brown. Put rich turmeric, red chili and salt and mix it very well. After mixing the mixture, close the lid. You can see here after few minutes it will make and ready. Wow, it's so delicious and it looks yummy, and when you eat you will get definitely like it. Hey guys, if you really like it, please let me know in a comment and serve it with a coriander. As you can see, I have served here with a coriander and it looks so yum. Hope you like this recipe. If you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe it.